So students, welcome to English Time. We are moving straight to our activities. In this video, I am going to give you two activities. These are two important activities. First activity is activity 1A and 1B, and one subject verb agreement activity is also there. So we can move to straight to our first activity. Take your textbook and find out activity 1A. What is activity 1A? You can see many words in a box. You have to find out the meaning of each words. You have to find out the Malayalam meaning of each words, and you have to write down in the notebook. Now, we are moving to our activity. The activity's name is character sketch. This is familiar activity in Malayalam. Kathapatra Nirupan. In English also, we have some characters in our story, poem and all things. So we have to sketch that character. Sketch character nannal Kathapatra Nirupan enartham. So when we sketching the character, we must remember something that has given in your textbook. Listen or look into that textbook. First one, appearance. Physical and personal strength and weakness, likes and dislikes, how the characters feel about him or her, personality at the beginning of the story, changes in personality as the story progresses, your opinion about the character. You have to find out the meaning of these words also from dictionary. Now you will get a picture of how to write a character sketch. Now we look at the sample character sketch given below. Ramu is a 12-year-old boy. He is tall and lean. Appearance. Tall എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഉയരം കൂടിയത്. Lean എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മെലിഞ്ഞത്. He is always sleepy and people make fun of him. But he is honest. Personal strength and weakness. People always make fun of him എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എപ്പോഴും അവനെ കളിയാക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. Lazy, you have to find out the meaning of lazy. And he is honest. You have to find out the meaning of honest. Then this is Ramu's personal strength and weakness. He likes listening to music, but he doesn't like sports. Likes and dislikes. Ramu is a weakling and he is looked down upon by others. Personality in the beginning. Weakling എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ശക്തി കുറഞ്ഞ. He becomes brave after an encounter with a tiger. Brave. Find out the meaning from the dictionary. Encounter എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഏറ്റുമുട്ടൽ. Tiger, you know. I think he deserves to be treated with respect. Your opinion, or the person who writes this character sketch, his opinion is here. So, in a character sketch, these points must be there. Appearance, physical and personal strength and weakness, likes and dislikes, how the characters feel about him or her, personality at the beginning of the story, changes in personality as the story progresses, your opinion about the character. Maybe in some stories there is not this much points you have to write. So look into the correct point and write down the character sketch. Now, what is the task? You have read the story, the Song of Songs. What do you feel about the character of Tansen? Let's develop the hints given and make a brief character sketch of Tansen. Now you turn the page. When you turn the page, hints. Tansen bowed in silent gratitude. Bowed എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ തലകുനിക്കുക. Silent gratitude എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നന്ദിപൂർവ്വം. Which aspect of Tansen's behavior is seen here? Select a word from those given below. You have to find out the meaning from dictionary of these words. Then you write the answer. Next, Tansen says, there is someone who sings better than I do. Choose the word which best describes his attitude. Proud, diffident, egoistic, humble. You have to find out the meaning of these words also. Then you have to write the correct answer. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. Tansen is afraid of emperor. Which word tells us this? Which word tells us this? Tansen is afraid of the emperor. Afraid എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പേടി. എംപററിനെ പേടിയായിരുന്നു താൻസൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാക്ക് ഏതാണിത്? Tansen knew how to get round him. He made a deliberate mistake. Which word describes his attitude? Clever, kind, shy. You have to write these answers. Then you can develop these answers into a character sketch. Tansen is a court musician of Emperor Akbar. He holds his emperor in high reverence. Now, next lines you have to fill. First you find out the meanings of these words and that first activity words. Then you send it to me. I will correct it. Then I will give you the correct character sketch of Tansen. Now the next task is sketch the character of Sant Haridas, the guru of or teacher of Tansen. To make this character sketch, I will help you to give you some hints to fill. What are the hints? Now, first you write the name of the character. First you write the name of the character. What do you know about him? What do you know about him? That is, who is he? That is ആരാണ് അയാൾ എന്നാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. Job, his behavior, how he leads his life, his likes and all things. What else do you know about him? His attitude towards music. Attitude എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനോഭാവം. So when you answer these questions, you will get a character sketch. You just do this activity and send it to me. I will give you the correct character sketch of Sant Haridas. So we have finished the first part of our activity. Now we are moving to next part of our activity. What is activity? Activity number 8A. Page number 60. 8A. You just read this passage. In this passage, you mark the verbs in each lines. You mark the verb in each lines. Then you write subject and verb in these two boxes. In these two boxes. The thing is, in English, when we write a singular subject, we have to write singular verb. How can we distinguish singular and plural verb? In singular verb, there must be yes or es with this singular verb. Now you just check out these examples. Okay, fine. Now we can check into plural nouns and verbs. What is plural noun? One or more characters or names are plural nouns. In plural nouns, there will be plural verb. There is no s and es on es with that verb. Now you just check out these examples. Okay, so these are the singular verb or plural verb. Now you look into that activity again and you can find out the plural verb or singular verb. Now you take activity 8D also. Example, Akbar listened to Tansen every day. Akbar and courtiers. You have to change this noun into Akbar and courtiers. Now Akbar and the courtiers listen to Tansen every day. Now he thinks Tansen has the most wonderful voice in the whole world. You have to rewrite this sentence with this noun they, subject they. Akbar inquires about the person. the courtiers. You start with the courtiers. They find him busy with his daily course. Now you change the subject into Tansen. Tansen and the emperor reach his hut. The emperor, you have to start the sentence with the subject emperor. Now, that's it. Two activities, two important activities. You just do this activity and send it to me and learn this activity for our exam also. Bye bye. See you.